We're going to start with King Henry Christophe's coronation on June 2nd, 1811. And then we're going to kind of fold back and think about, well, how did he get to this point? He himself was a formerly enslaved person. How could it come to pass that he would end up becoming the King of Haiti, as this is obviously a remarkable trajectory for a remarkable life for someone who fought during the Haitian Revolution and ended up leading Haiti, becoming one of the principal leaders in the post-emancipation period. So we're going to start with his early life. We'll kind of zoom into him, then we'll think about his role in the revolution, and then we'll think about how it is that he ended up in this position of becoming king, and what was his vision for independent Haiti, and how did it all kind of crumble and fall apart, and what were the consequences of that? What was the aftermath of the end of his reign? So, of course, Henry Christophe, he was born actually on the British-controlled island of Grenada. At the moment of his birth, the island was in British hands. It had previously been in French hands. And remember, we've talked about in other classes, the world powers kind of traded islands in the Caribbean around like chess pieces in a way. For each of their wars, the 7 Years' War, et cetera, a new power would come to reign over those islands that were colonies of places like Great Britain and France. And the reason that I have up here a lot of text on the screen is I think it's really important when you're dealing with someone who was a previously enslaved individual to point out how you know things about their life.